So what are we going to get into today? Well, today I'm going to make a, I guess it would be like kind of like a liqueur that I really enjoy. And it is called Rum Chata. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make some Rum Chata. But first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Alright. Okay, so you'll find out that Rum Chata is simple to make. It tastes delicious. Hey, some fun facts about Rum Chata. Well, let's say the ingredients. It's made with cream, rum, cinnamon, and vanilla. All great things, okay? And the proof, you know, it's kind of on the low side. So it's going to be somewhere between 25 and 28 proof, okay? And where's it from? Well, now let me see if I pronounce this right. And if you're from Wisconsin and I pronounce it wrong, I am so sorry. It is Pew Acue. I know I didn't pronounce that right. Wisconsin. All right. Hey, and how do we drink it? It is served either chilled, on the rocks, it's in cocktails, it's in shots, okay? Rum Chata was inspired by horchata, which is a traditional drink from Mexico and Spain, okay? Well, what does it taste like? Well, it tastes, it's a sweet, smooth, creamy drink with undertones of cinnamon and vanilla, okay? Alright, so what I'll do is I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. But for right now, what ingredients is needed? Well, we will use 1 cup of rice, long grain. We'll use a half a cup of sugar, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, and kind of break them up depending on how much you like cinnamon. So use your own judgment on that. 2 cups of hot water, not boiling, just 2 cups of hot water. 1 cup of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, 1 cup of dark rum. Alright, so let's get started making this is going to be part 1, and this is the horchata base. Okay, and you're going to see this is so simple to make, but it tastes fantastic. Okay, so all we got to do is mix all our ingredients together. So our first ingredients is 1 cup of rice. Okay, the next is going to be the half of a cup of sugar. Alright, and then 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks broken up. Whatever, if you like it more cinnamon taste, add more. If you don't like it, take it out, okay? So that's 2 cinnamon sticks. Alright, and now what we need is about 2 cups of hot water. It don't have to be boiling, just hot. Basically what we're going to do is trying to make sure that sugar is melted. There's 1 and 2. Okay. Then all we want to do is stir that, melt that sugar. I mean, it's smelling good already. I mean, it's a lot of cinnamon. I love that. I love that taste. I love that smell. Just give it a good stir. Okay, and that's that. Going to put a lid on it. And what we'll do is we'll stick that into the refrigerator overnight, 10 hours, a little bit more. It is not going to hurt it. So what we want the rice flavors and all them flavors to come out into the water. Okay, let me go put this in the refrigerator. And then we'll come back tomorrow and we're going to finish this Rum Chata up. And I got my favorite drinks that I love Rum Chata with, and I'll let you know what that is tomorrow after we finish up and we can enjoy one. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It's been 24 hours around about. Alright, so now we're going to do part 2 of our Rum Chata. This is easy as the first. You just need a blender. And here is our horchata. Oh, it smells so fantastic. So all we gotta do is put this in the blender. Rice, all, cinnamon, everything. It smells fantastic. You get that all put in the blender. I'm looking forward to tasting this. Okay. We'll put that in the blender, put the lid on it. Alright. So what we want to do is we want to blend this well, okay? So sorry about the noise. Okay, so this next part, it gets a little messy. What we want to do is we want to strain any of the hunks out of what we had in the blender. So what I'm going to use is a screener, just more or less to hold this bag. So anything fine mesh you have will work fine. I'm going to take the lid off though. Alright, let's see how this strains out. And we will get all that out if we can, or whoop. Like I said, this is the messy part. Alright, well I'll use a little bit of water and rinse that out before we do that for the next step. Okay, so we want just to squeeze and strain this out of whatever the rice. The rice did soften up some. It's not as soft as, like, let's say cooked rice. The smell is fantastic. Alright, I think that's about all that I'm going to get out of there. Okay. Alright, so let me get washed up and rinse my blender out, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, we're almost done. Alright, so in the blender, what we want to do is put the mixture that we, our horchata mixture. Okay, so we got that. I need to rinse that out. Okay, so what we're going to need now is, let's see, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. We need 1 teaspoon of that, and then we need 1 cup of a heavy cream. 1 cup of heavy cream. And since I didn't have any homemade dark rum, I had to buy some. So this is 80 proof. So we want 1 cup of a dark rum. Now you could use white rum, but I think the dark rum will give it a lot more flavor. So we want 1 cup of that. Me, I like a little extra. Not on the table. Okay. we'll put the lid on it. Now we don't want to, all we want to do is stir this together, incorporate it all together. So just a couple short bursts ought to do it. Alright, that should be it. I told you this was simple. Got me a quart jar here. Ah, smells so good. Okay. Put that out of the way. I guess first I need a glass, don't I? Alright, let's see what this tastes like. Rum Chata. I mean, it's very, very creamy, real smooth, like we said it should be. I got a good pronounce of the cinnamon. I mean, it's not overly thick. I don't know if it will thicken up in the refrigerator. I don't think so. But I'll make this again 100%. Wow, that is good. Okay, so that's our Rum Chata. We'll put a lid on this. We'll store it in the fridge. With the amount of alcohol, it'd probably be okay on the shelf. But you know, I like it cold anyway, so I'll just put it in the fridge and save it. Alright, so I wanted to show you one of the drinks that I like to make with it. I don't know if you call it a shot or a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, so one of my favorite ways, and this is a special Rum Chata glass. It's a shot glass that has a divider in the middle of it. So what we do is we put Rum Chata on one half, and then some Fireball whiskey. Don't everybody like Fireball? You either love it or hate it, I think. And you put this on the other half. And I think I got these glasses with, it was a special deal when I bought some Rum Chata. It came with the glass, them special shot glasses. Okay, let's give it a try. Wow, that is fantastic. You would like that. Okay. Alright, in closing, like I've said in the past, enjoy what you make and make what you enjoy. The great thing about this hobby is we can make all different kind of things. You know, you're not stuck to just making one or two different things. Try to branch out and use some of the products you do make into other products. Right? Now I have to make me some dark rum for a project like this. So this has been a lot of fun. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks for Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right.